The internal combustion engine, converting chemical energy into mechanical force, operates under extreme duress. Temperatures routinely exceed 2,500 degrees Celsius and pressures can reach 100 bar, equivalent to 1,450 pounds per square inch. Such conditions demand components engineered with microscopic precision. A deviation of even a few microns can lead to premature wear, reduced efficiency, or catastrophic mechanical failure. The inherent challenge lies in consistent, high-volume production, maintaining exacting tolerances across diverse manufacturing environments, day after day. The engine's existence begins digitally, long before any metal is shaped. Computer-aided design, or CAD, meticulously defines every geometric parameter of the engine block, crankshaft, and cylinder head. Material scientists perform exhaustive research, selecting specific aluminum alloys, high-strength steels, or advanced cast irons. This selection optimizes properties such as tensile strength, fatigue resistance, thermal conductivity, and overall weight reduction. Finite element analysis (FEA) rigorously simulates thermal and mechanical stresses, predicting performance and identifying potential failure points virtually, refining design before physical prototyping can begin. The engine block, the primary structural component, typically involves precision casting. For lightweight aluminum blocks, high-pressure die casting is prevalent, injecting molten metal into elaborate steel molds under immense force, often exceeding 1,000 tons. This process facilitates complex internal geometries and thin wall sections, vital for mass optimization. Conversely, robust gray cast iron blocks often utilize sand casting, involving intricate sand cores to form internal passages. Precise control over molten metal temperature, injection speed, and mold integrity is critical to prevent defects like porosity, inclusions, or incomplete fills, which compromise structural integrity and performance. Upon cooling, the cast engine block undergoes extensive precision machining. Multi-axis computer numerical control (CNC) machines perform intricate milling, boring, and drilling. Deck surfaces, where the cylinder head mounts, are milled to a flatness tolerance often within 5 to 10 microns, ensuring a perfect seal. Cylinder bores are roughed out, then semi-finished to precise diameters using specialized tooling. Robotic tool changers rapidly select from hundreds of cutting tools, executing complex sequences. Honing, the final process, creates a microscopic crosshatch pattern within each cylinder bore. This textured surface is paramount for optimal piston ring sealing, minimizing oil consumption, and ensuring long-term cylinder lubrication. The crankshaft, converting piston motion into rotational torque, must withstand enormous torsional and bending loads. It is almost universally forged from high-strength alloy steel. Heated steel billets, sometimes glowing orange at over 1,000 degrees Celsius, are strategically placed within massive hydraulic presses. Repeated, controlled impacts force the metal to flow into the intricate shape of the crankshaft. This forging process is crucial. It refines the internal grain structure of the steel, eliminating internal voids and significantly enhancing the component's fatigue strength, toughness, and overall impact resistance, properties essential for its sustained, high-stress operation. Following forging, the crankshaft undergoes precise grinding and milling. Specialized grinding machines reduce main bearing journals and connecting rod journals to submicron tolerances, ensuring smooth rotation within the engine block. Oil passages are meticulously drilled through the shaft to lubricate bearings. Counterweights are then carefully machined to precisely balance the rotating assembly. Finally, each crankshaft is dynamically balanced on a dedicated machine. This machine spins the shaft at high RPMs, detecting any minute mass imbalances. Material is then precisely removed from specific counterweight locations to achieve perfect rotational equilibrium, which minimizes vibration and ensures smooth, long-term engine operation. Pistons, direct recipients of combustion pressure, are typically cast from lightweight aluminum alloys due to their excellent strength-to-weight ratio and superior thermal conductivity. Initial casting forms the basic cup shape, followed by extensive machining operations. Precision CNC machines create the critical ring grooves, ensuring piston rings can effectively seal the combustion chamber and manage oil. The piston pin bore is machined to an exact diameter for connecting rod attachment. Furthermore, the piston skirt often receives specialized low-friction coatings, such as graphite or polymer, to reduce parasitic losses, minimize wear against the cylinder wall, and reduce operational noise during engine cycling. Connecting rods serve as the vital link between the piston and the crankshaft, transmitting immense forces during combustion. Like crankshafts, these components are predominantly forged from high-strength steel to ensure necessary fatigue resistance and tensile strength. After forging, the rods undergo a series of machining operations to establish the precise center-to-center distance between the piston pin bore and the crankshaft big end bore. Critically, the big end of the connecting rod is often crack split or fracture split during manufacturing. This creates two perfectly matching, irregular mating surfaces that, when bolted together around the crankshaft journal, ensure a highly accurate, strong, and precise connection without additional machining. The cylinder head is a highly complex casting, typically made from aluminum alloy, integrating intricate intake and exhaust ports, valve guides, and spark plug bosses. Precision machining operations are paramount here. The combustion chamber volume is meticulously shaped, and valve seats are milled to exacting concentricity and angle, ensuring a perfect, gas-tight seal when valves close. Coolant passages and oil galleries are drilled with precision to manage thermal loads and lubrication. The geometry and surface finish of the intake and exhaust ports are carefully optimized to promote efficient gas flow, directly impacting an engine's volumetric efficiency, power output, and emissions compliance. The valve train components, valves, camshafts, and hydraulic or mechanical lifters, work in concert to precisely control timing and duration of gas exchange within the cylinders. Valves themselves are typically forged from high-temperature resistant alloys, then meticulously ground to ensure a perfect sealing surface. Camshafts, often cast or forged, feature lobes whose profiles are ground with extreme precision. These profiles dictate valve lift, duration, and overlap, critically influencing engine breathing characteristics across the entire RPM range. The accuracy of these profiles is fundamental to optimizing an engine's power, torque, and fuel efficiency. Engine assembly commences with critical subassemblies. Piston rings, each with specific functions for sealing and oil control, are carefully installed into the piston grooves. Subsequently, the piston is connected to the connecting rod via a precisely fitted piston pin, often secured by circlips. Simultaneously, the crankshaft is meticulously lowered into the engine block's main bearing saddles. Precision machine main bearings, selected to exact clearance specifications, are installed before the main bearing caps are torqued down using computer-controlled tools. This ensures proper bearing crush and establishes the crucial oil film for crankshaft rotation with minimal friction. With the crankshaft secured, piston and connecting rod assemblies are carefully guided into their respective cylinder bores. The connecting rod big ends are then precisely bolted around the crankshaft journals, again with specific torque sequences. Next, the elaborately machined cylinder head is cautiously lowered onto the engine block, guided by dowel pins to ensure perfect alignment. Head bolts, often of the torque-to-yield type, are tightened in a multi-stage sequence to achieve optimal clamping force. Finally, camshafts are installed, and the timing chain or belt system is meticulously fitted and tensioned. This system precisely synchronizes crankshaft rotation with camshafts, ensuring valves open and close at exact moments relative to piston position for optimal combustion. Throughout every stage of manufacturing and assembly, stringent quality control protocols are rigorously applied. Automated optical inspection systems scrutinize component dimensions, surface finishes, and detect microscopic imperfections. Advanced coordinate measuring machines verify critical tolerances. Post-assembly, engines undergo leak tests, utilizing pressurized air or inert gases like helium to identify any deficiencies in coolant, oil, or combustion chamber sealing. The ultimate validation occurs on a dynamometer, where each assembled engine undergoes hot and cold tests. These simulate various operating conditions, assessing power output, torque delivery, fuel consumption, and emissions compliance before an engine is deemed ready for vehicle installation. The modern internal combustion engine functions symbiotically with its electronic control unit, or ECU. During final manufacturing stages, a complex array of sensors are precisely integrated. These include sensors for oxygen levels in the exhaust, manifold absolute pressure, crankshaft and camshaft position, engine coolant temperature, and throttle position. Each sensor provides real-time data to the ECU. The ECU, in turn, processes this information and precisely adjusts fuel injection timing and duration, ignition advance, and in many cases, variable valve timing. This sophisticated integration ensures the engine operates at peak efficiency, minimizes emissions, and delivers optimal performance across all operating parameters. From initial digital blueprint to final dynamometer test, car engine manufacturing represents a profound testament to precision engineering, advanced metallurgy, and sophisticated automation. Every component, from cylinder bore finish to crankshaft balance, results from relentless optimization and exacting production standards. This intricate dance of materials science, robotic assembly, and computational control transforms raw elements into a robust and efficient power unit, capable of reliably propelling vehicles across vast distances under diverse conditions. It is a true marvel of industrial capability.